Hello my friends, today is a special day and sorry for the huge delay. We haven't made any home studio video for the last month. Everything is really weird and very complicated in COVID-19 times, and so I'm happy to be here today, and I'm really happy that I can show you something very special. Because as you all know, I'm a great fan of German companies like Scalar, THA Zype and all these companies. They are doing these great stuff, these great RC truck action stuff that I'm playing with. And today I did something I did for the first time. So, see what I got here. This is a parcel from very far away, and as you can see, this is not German at all. This is not a European company. This is a skid loader coming from China. And I'm really excited to open this box together with you, and let's see what quality says, how good the people from Chinese are today in building these little machines, and I'm really excited to do this with you together. So, I hope that you will enjoy the video. Have fun! So, now let's open the box. Let's get the knife. And it's really weird. This package took over a whole week to come to Germany. And now let's see if everything is well packed. So, first impression looks good. Oh my gosh. Can you see it? Just let me check if you see everything in the best way. So see, isn't this nice? I'm really excited. This looks pretty good. As you can see, I ordered the already painted version, and this RC model, this RC loader, is really a small one. I don't know if you know these Bobcats. They are well known all over the world. And now let's get it out of the box. It's not that easy. It fits in there very well. Looks quite safe. And now see this. Isn't this a beauty? It's really astonishing. It is really well made. Everything I have in my hands now is out of metal. It's really heavy. I don't know how much it is, but it is really heavy. And you can see the hoses, the hydraulic hoses, the cylinders, and it is for sure a four-wheel drive. You can open the cabin. There's a lot space for the battery. It is, by the way, it is fully electric, and there is a hydraulic system installed, as you know from all the other RC trucks, and there's a hydraulic pump in there, and we can, I guess it's right under this door here. The valves, hydraulic valves, and the small tank. So this is really nice. This is, I can't believe it. It is so well done. Exciting. It is really exciting. And as you can see, I ordered an almost fully installed model. There's not a lot to do anymore. Just put the electronic parts in there. And then after installing the remote control, you can start playing with it. So what else is in the package? So it's the skid loader. Okay, the tires, they look pretty awesome and very soft. That's good. Can you see it? They're really soft, so you get a lot of traction, I guess. Great. Number one. Number two. Number three. By the way, this is the name of the company that builds this machine. I guess you can't see it. It is the name is LXY/RC, but I will put the link in the description box below. And the fourth tire. Yes. So let's go on. There are the rims. As you could easily imagine, out of metal. Really nice. Good job. Good painting, by the way. Really good painting. And some more of these. Number 3. And number 4. So, screws. Oh my gosh, look. Can you see these small screws? They are so small. I guess they are for the rims. Really cool. Some glasses. I guess they come in here. These glasses. Yes. Some more screws. Some bars. I think they come on the rims. They get on the rims. Some other stuff I don't know at the moment. This is the exhaust. Wait, let us check if I'm right or wrong. Oh my god. Yes, this is the exhaust. And it's coming somewhere there. Somewhere here. Okay. So what else is there? Some screws, some more screws, even tinier screws. And last but not least, some other screws. So what's in here? What's behind here? Yes. What does a skid loader need? Yeah, it's a loader, so it needs a bucket. This is nice, and it is also out of metal. Really cool. And this belongs somewhere like this. Can you see it? So in the end will be like this. This is really, really cool. This is really cool. If I knew not better, I would never say that this is something not from a German production company, well-known company. This looks so good. This is the controller. These are the, oh my god, look at this detail, at this level of detail. These are the wipers, but they are not out of plastic. They are fully out of metal. Can you see this? With springs in there. There are springs in there. This is exciting. Really, really great. I've never expected it to be so great. So, screwdrivers. And some windows, some windshields. Yes. And a fork. Let's check it. By the way, this is the name of the company, srs-rc. And everybody who's asking, by the way, I'm not getting any money for this video. I'm not getting any payoffs or whatever. I just paid the normal price for it. And by the way, when you check the price, this is another thing. When you check the price of this RC truck, you will not believe it. because it is so much cheaper than anything you have known from my other videos. You must check it by yourself. This is just amazing. So this is a forklift. So you can use the skid loader. Also, no, this is wrong. I'm just going this way. You can use it as a forklift. This is great. This is really great. So this was the unboxing of this little friend, and I guess this will be my little friend. It is, I hope that you got a good impression. It is really so nice, and it seems to be so well built. It is amazing. I've never expected being it so good. It looks pretty awesome, and I'm excited, looking forward to building in the electronic components so that in the end we can have a test run in front of the camera so that you get an impression, does it work that well as it looks, as it already looks. So I'm really excited. Yeah, this is the forklift, and this is the bucket, and yeah, I hope, my friends, that you liked this short video. This was only the unboxing. There's coming more. Just give me a few days to build in the electronics. I already have them on my table, lying on my table. I will show you what will be built in there. And for sure, I will operate this little RC truck with my Scale Art Commander remote control. So I will show you what is the best setup for this little guy. So in the end, I hope that you had a lot of fun looking the unboxing. Please all stay healthy, have a good time, have a good Christmas time, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.